Are you tired of your YouTube videos not getting the views they deserve? Well, today I'm going to show you a simple trick to change your YouTube video title to get more views in 2024. First, you need to analyze your current title and see if it's enticing enough for viewers to click on. Make sure it's clear, concise, and includes relevant keywords. Next, think about what your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Trends or YouTube Analytics to find popular keywords related to your video content. Now, it's time to update your title. Make it compelling and click-worthy by adding numbers, emojis, or intriguing questions. Remember, the goal is to grab the viewer's attention. Don't forget to A/B test your new title to see which one performs better. You can use YouTube's built-in analytics to track the views and engagement on your videos. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can change your YouTube video title to get more views in 2024. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and watch your views soar. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on growing your online presence.